Figured I'd buy a brand new McLaren Squid Game car, and I haven't even showed my girlfriend this car yet, dude. She's gonna be so impressed when she sees this. So I'm gonna pull up to her house, and I figure I'll take her on a little date.
Please subscribe to my other video
Zoom over there, and dang, dude, this car is super fast. Let me just drift around here. I'm going straight to her driveway like this. All right, let me just go up to the door and ring the doorbell. Ding dong, guess who's here?
Please subscribe and like the video and review my love you guys so much.
Well, B, I actually just won the Squid Games, and I got this brand new whip outside here. Don't you like it,
Hello
Shorty?
guys,
Wait,
welcome to me. I just did the face reveal.
Yo, Mr. Red,
Tomorrow
what are you doing here?
a Minecraft video. But today and tomorrow, today I film a Roblox video and a Minecraft. So please subscribe and like so much. Bye guys. Subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell. Subscribe all Spider will be on your bed.
He's a dumb player.
Yeah, you probably didn't even win that much.
Dude,